All right, I'm going to show you guys how to make your repository public and then publish it as a web page. It's really important that you make it public first because if you don't, then nobody's going to be able to see it. It actually won't let you publish as a web page until you've made it public. So let's take a look at, let me try to find the repository I'm looking for here. I'm going to go to, I have mine set up as organizations and you guys don't, but that's fine. You guys might just have a tab here that says repositories. And this is all on github.com. I'm going to choose this website. There's my repository. I can see my HTML files, my JPEGs, and my Git file, which just means that it's being tracked by Git. And I'm going to go to settings right up here. So you have to scroll down to the danger zone. The danger zone allows you to delete the repository, change visibility, move it to a different organization, etc. These are all dangerous things because it drastically changes your repository. So I'm going to go to change visibility, which means change it from private to public. You may already have made it public, but mine was made private to start with when I created this repository. So I'm just gonna click on change visibility and go change to public. And then it's gonna ask me to confirm. And yes, I do understand. Make it public. There we go. Now it's public. Now, also under settings, I'm going to go to the left side to this option here that says Pages. Pages is a special feature in GitHub which allows you to host your website. It only allows you to host static websites, so if you've got some sort of dynamic stuff on there, things that are basically more complicated than just HTML and CSS, then you can't really use this to host. You would probably have to pay for hosting services. So let's just go to Pages. And now we're on Pages. It says here branch. I'm going to go to switch this to my main branch. And then it says GitHub Pages is currently disabled. Select a source below to enable GitHub Pages for this repository. And since this is a website, I'm going to change that to main, hit save, and now it should be published. So let's see. GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal, organization, or project pages from a GitHub repository. I think that's pretty much it. You can add a custom domain if you'd like. And if we go to general, actually let's go back to code. Now back to my repository here, I can go to my about section. And just to make it easier for me to get to my URL, I can click on this settings wheel, and down here where it says website, I can click on this checkbox and it says use your GitHub Pages website. So now this is my URL. So I can copy that just to open it up and test it later, and then save changes. And this will actually also add a link here. So I didn't really have to copy it. I can just click on this to test it out. So let's see if it got published to the internets. There we go. All right, and that's it. So basically 2 steps. Go to settings in GitHub for your repository. Go down to the danger zone at the bottom, set the visibility to public, and then go and make the change so that the main branch is hosted.